This brand is made in China and is available online through their website, but their guarantee is minimal when compared to other brands. The TTAC004 air conditioner has a 10,000 BTU cooling capacity and features a 3-speed fan with auto swing louvers for good air circulation throughout the room. They have a sleep mode and a timer for energy savings, but only use a basic washable air filter which does not do much to clean the air. The units require manually draining the condensate and use single-hose technology, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.